So today we're going to look at how to add family and friends to your My Disney Experience account. This is really simple, but it's really important for making fast passes, dining reservations. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your Disney account. This is mine. Got some fast passes already set up for my next trip. But anyway, so it's kind of hard to find, but you're going to go down here to where these little three lines are. I'm pointing to them at the screen. You can't see me doing it. But down here to where the three lines are, and you're going to click on My Profile. Now, as you see, My Profile, you've got My Profile, and you've got your friends and family list. So on your friends and family list, here's mine. You got Mrs. Mom, you've got the kids. So we could add a guest. We can add a guest. We click on Add a Guest. You can find it through your connected guests and your connected guests, or you can enter their names. First name required is first name, last name, and age, and Disney will try to find that. Now, if you go do this on a desktop, you can also do it through adding a reservation number. So on the mobile devices, this is the way you do it through your profile, and on the desktop you have a little better options. That's it. Really simple, but really important.
Thanks so much for watching Dad's video. For more simple, fun, magic Walt Disney World information, go to Dad's Guide to WDW.com. You can do that by clicking the I button that's popping up on the screen right now. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more Dad's YouTube videos with Daditude.